I know that sometimes HubSpot can be a little bit overwhelming, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up conditional cards, which makes it a lot easier for your users to get the most out of HubSpot, and it will also save a lot of time for them. Let me share my screen and I'll show you exactly how you can do this. So when we go to a contact, for example, Logan Roy here, you can see that we have some properties for the contact on the left side. We have about this contact, which is the default section within HubSpot. That has a couple of important properties here, like the role, his email, phone number, contact donor, etc. We have the communication subscriptions here, and we do have some website activity. Now, we're running this account for a real estate agency in this demo. So let's say we want some additional information here based on the role. So we would gather different information based on if this person is a buyer, a seller, a renter, commercial related, or he's an investor. Now, to set up a conditional card like this, we're going to click on the settings wheel here. And then you can see on the left side here, we do have the cards that are showing up right now. Now, what we want to do is we want to add an additional card here. And this card is going to be a property list. So we'll create that for us. And we'll call this real estate. Now, the properties we want to show here are, we want the budget. We also want to show the preferred location. And then we also want to make sure that we have the right buyer category. So these are the ones that we want to show. And then the magic comes in with the conditional display logic. So here we're going to use that role property that we saw earlier. So the real estate information role. And when this is buyer, that's when we want to show this specific card. So we'll save this. We'll put this right underneath the about this contact. We'll save and exit. And now you can see we have this additional card here. You can move this around. So once you've done this, it will stay in that location. And this will show up now only when the role here is buyer. So for example, if I would change this role now to seller, you will see that that card also disappears. We change it back to buyer and the card appears again. So it's as easy as that. And before I tell you where else you can use this within HubSpot, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot excellence. So this is something you can only use within contacts, but you can also use this within companies, as well as in deals, as listings. Like each object that you're using within HubSpot, you can use these conditional cards. And this is incredibly powerful to make sure that you're showing the right information for the right contacts or the right deals or the right companies within HubSpot. If this video was helpful, I'm sure you will also love this video right here about how you can create smart marketing emails within HubSpot for your real estate business. Until the next one, bye.